Okay, you guys, so this is the beginning of our moving, packing, I don't know, whatever video. We are on a roll today. We've gotten a storage unit. We've gotten a U-Haul trailer because just a little while ago it was just totally raining. Now the sun's out, which is nice. We met with a realtor and she told us things that we need to do, things that we don't need to do, which was really nice. So we're making good progress, and yeah, I'll keep trying to take a few videos here and there. Just know that we're busy and I don't have a lot of time for a lot of videos, so probably just a few short ones here and there. Thanks for watching. So we just got another run in to the storage unit, and I'm here at the Goodwill dropping off 3 more bags of stuff. Poor Rob and Jason, they are moving stuff in the snow.
It's kind of just rain.
It's snow.
We got something.
So we moved a bunch of stuff to storage, and then we moved our bedroom out into the living room.
Rob found his high school yearbooks.
We're going to paint the entire house this off-white color that we've got on the ceiling, and this wall and the trim. We make quick work out of that. What do you think? Is it working?
Yeah.
Well, you guys, it looks like it's the last day for us in our bedroom. We did a lot of things in there. Painting, cleaning all the woodwork, scraping off, well, we took off the carpet first. Scraped off all of the little, like, leftover, it's not leftovers, what do we call it? Like, the pad under the carpet kind of deteriorated, and so there are these little black spots of sticky stuff all over. So we're scraping that off. We're using some oil to rub it in and make it look really nice. Replacing the fan. It's almost done. All right, we're done with this room. Woohoo! Does it look amazing or what? Yeah. Okay guys, that is gonna do it for our master bedroom makeover thing. Yeah, so we are done, and the next room we're going to work on is the girls' room. Let me just give you a little peek at what it looks like. Lovely carpet. Walls that have seen 11 years of two little girls. Fan that totally needs to be cleaned, but also has had a finish ripped off. Yeah, that's on the ceiling. It's gonna be fun.
If you'd like to be on our mailing list, please write us. Send us a card, drop us a line. We'd love to keep in touch with you.